Good morning, children. Welcome to science class. I hope you understood in last session. I just recall the last session. Our topic is measurement. Physical quantities are classified into two types, namely fundamental quantities and derived quantities. We have already finished fundamental quantities. Next one is derived quantities. Derived quantities, some of the derived quantities are area, volume, speed, electric charge and density. Yesterday also finished derived quantities of area. Next one is volume. Let us study about volume. The amount of space occupied by a three-dimensional object is known as its volume. Okay, the amount of space occupied by a three-dimensional object is known as volume. The amount of space occupied by a three-dimensional object is known as its volume. Volume formula: surface area into height. SI unit of volume: cubic meter or m cube. Cubic meter represented m cube. Now volume of liquids. Volume of liquids. Liquids also occupy some space and hence they also have volume. It's a solid and a liquid gas. Solid has a definite shape, definite size. But liquid do not have a definite shape and size. See, liquids do not possess any definite shape. So, the volume of a liquid cannot be determined as in the case of solid. When a liquid poured into a container, it takes the shape of the volume of the container. This is understood, children? Listen. When a liquid poured into a container, for example, poured into a tumbler, in the liquid shape of the container. Okay, to take the shape of the container. Okay, when a liquid poured into water bottle, okay, it takes the shape of the volume of the container. It takes the shape and volume of the container. For example, you poured liquid into a like that cylinder. It takes the shape and volume of the cylinder. Okay, the volume of any liquid is equal to the space and that it fills, and it can be measured using a measuring cylinder or measuring beaker. I told now that the maximum volume of liquid that a container can hold is known as a capacity of the container. This is measuring container. Okay, you want buy milk half liter means you take a measuring jar. You measure the half liter. If you want milk 1 liter means you take a 1 liter measuring jar, measure the up to 1 liter. Okay, this is measuring container. Next, volume of regularly shaped object. See, this is object figures, this is volume. This is cube figure is like that. This side into side into side. Volume C formula C, side into side into side. Side is represent A into A cube. Next cuboid, this is formula. This is L, length, breadth, height formula. L into breadth into height. L, B, H. L, B, H. Next, sphere shape. This is sphere shape. This is radius. Radius arm சொல்றோம்ல அது. Formula 4 by 3 into by into radius cube. 4 by 3 into by into radius cube. 4 by 3 by r cube. This is cylinder. The cylinder shape like that. That is radius. This is height. Formula by into radius squared into height by r squared h. This is formula. Once again, this is formula C. This is very important, children. Formula, you get memory. cube, side into side into side, a into a into a cube. Cuboid, L into B, B into H, LBH formula. 4 by 3 into radius cube, 4 by 3 by r cube. Cylinder by into radius squared into height. So this is formula by r squared h. Okay, now substitute the formula. Okay, first you take a liquid cube shape object. Okay, if you take a cube shape object in liquid, this is formula how to measure. See, this is formula cube formula I am told no, side into side into side. This side is 3 centimeter. Okay, a cube whose side is 3 centimeter. Now see, formula, substitute the formula 3 centimeter. Side is how much? 3 centimeter. So 3 into 3 into 3. See, 3 3s are 9. Again 9 3s are 27. So 27 centimeter cube. Centimeter cube. Next, if you take the liquid in cylinder shape, you substitute the formula that is cylinder formula by into radius squared into height. See, this is radius how much? 3 centimeter. Height is 7 centimeter. Now you substitute now. By values 22 by 7. Radius is how much? 3. 3 squared into height is 7. Now 22 by 7. 3 2 times. So 3 into 3 into height is 7. Now substitute. Going to cut it 7 and 7. Remainder number is 22 into 3 into 3. Now 3 3s are 9 into 22. See now 9 2s are 18. Remainder 1. 9 2s are 18. 1 90. So this value is 198 meter cube. I hope you understood the session, children. Okay, we will meet next class. Bye. Take care.